Hello everybody, this is SashaMoniqueTalks. So y'all saw my video where I thrifted some clothes. And today I am going to wash them and sanitize them. I'm using the Tandle laundry detergent from Aldi supermarket. And it's good quality, so if you haven't used it, try it because it's really good. And I'm also going to use some Pine Sol to get the germs and stuff out of the clothes. You will see me in the laundry room. I may or may not be able to talk to you all because there may be somebody in there. It's so hot, y'all. So I'm about to put the stuff in the machine. Finally clean that out, it looks so much better. It's still a little dirty, but it's better than what it was. So I'm putting that much soap in there. Then let's take the Pine Sol and put a little bit in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit in the softener side. I'll put it on hot. Ready to rinse right now. So my clothes are nice and clean, they sanitize. That Pine Sol kills 99.9 germs. So it's good to use for your thrifted clothes. And that laundry detergent from Aldi supermarket is great. It cleans just as well as Tide. Look how clean my sneakers got. Yes.